What really killed the dinosaurs? It wasn't what you think. Forget everything you've seen in the movies. This is the real story, written in stone and fire. Imagine Dino Valley, not hit by a rock from space, but swallowed by the Earth itself. The ground cracks open, not from one volcano, but from a wound covering 200,000 square miles. This was the Deccan Traps, a sea of lava erupting for thousands of years, poisoning the air and choking the skies with ash. Herds of giants stampede through a world turning to hell. Rivers of fire cut through ancient jungles. The sun, a distant memory, flickers behind a permanent shroud of black. They were living through the apocalypse, fighting for every breath in a dying world. And the asteroid hasn't even arrived yet.